Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 42. Write a program to print a square root, skirt we called it, of number, of any number, okay? That the user are going to insert it. By using C++ skirt built-in function, we will use the built-in function that it will give us the square root of any number. And we will use our skirt function. We will create also a function, do the same function of C++ skirt function. For example, if the user insert 25, the output should to be my square root or my skirt function result is 5. Because the square root of number 25 is 5, and when we use C++ skirt built-in function result, also it gives us 5 because it do the same. These both functions do the same, or it give us the same result. Now let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this requirement, or how we're gonna build like the C++ skirt built-in function. Okay, let's go to Visual Studio. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 42. Add a program to print a square of number by using C++ skirt built-in function, and we will use our skirt function. We build also like the C++ skirt built-in function. Okay, let's do run first to understand or see how the program look like. Perfect. Once it is run, the compiler display for us, please enter a number like the previous problem. Let's say 25 like on slide. My square root function result is 5. That's correct because the square root of 25 is 5. C++ square root built-in function result also give us 5. So how it's work? First thing we call here, like the previous lesson, read number from the user, read number from the user. It's like normal function, take the number, display question, start inside the number, and return number. Okay, you already know these things. And after that, we have the string, my square root function is result is. We called our function, my square function, my skirt function. It's float, it takes also the number. Let's open it, it's easy, the logic inside it. Return, bow this built-in function, we use it just to help us to build our my skirt function. How we create something like bow, we will take in feature, or maybe already take it, but also we will take in feature how to build also like the built-in pow function like power. So we use pow, the built-in function, and don't forget to include CMAT library. You have to include CMAT library to use the pow and the built-in function C++ ready built-in function skirt. So hashtag include CMAT is important. All right, don't forget. So return pow and number to the 0.5 to the power number to the half number, like power to the half, or any number, like for example 25 to the 0.5 or to the half. It will give you the square root of any number, 25, 20. When you take the number and you say to the power of half or to the 0.5, it will give you the result of the final result, the correct result of the square root of any number. Compute the square root using the power function. Okay, don't you forget to use the power, and in its parameter put the number and comma 0.5. It will give you the result. And this is already the read number from the user function. You already know it. And here just we call our function with the string, we give it the number, and we call the built-in function. You have to call it in this way, sqrt, all of them lowercase. I think we take it already before, you know how to call it. So that was the lesson of today of problem number 42. Write a program to print the square root or skirt of number by using C++ skirt built-in function, and we'll use our skirt function too. See you next problem, next lesson. Ciao.